Hey guys, how's it going? How to promote your content effectively using AI tools. So you can use your browser and search for AI powered SEOs. So to get a better rank or better search results, you can use tools like Surfer SEO or SEMerge with SH to optimize your content for search engines. Secondly, if you want smart scheduling, if you want to automate posting, you can use Buffer or Hotsuite AI to reach the right audience at the best times, right? As for content repurposing, right, you can use Pictory or Lumen 5 for converting blogs to videos or social posts, right? As for copywriting, you can generate catchy captions using Jasper AI or Perplexity or even ChatGPT. Okay, you can generate catchy captions and headlines, titles, etc. Okay, and as for performance tracking, you can analyze engagement with AI tools like Google Analytics, of course, which is widely known, or you can use, of course, Social B to analyze your channel or your social media status to upgrade or be more influential or more, to be at least at better ranks. Okay, you can leverage AI and grow your content effortlessly. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.